How to disable Instagram profile picture zoom. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to disable Instagram profile picture zoom. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, open Instagram app on your device. Navigate to the home page of Instagram. Now simply tap on the profile icon at bottom right corner and once you're on the profile feed, select Edit Profile. Now choose Edit Picture or Avatar at top of your screen. And if you don't have an avatar, you can create one. It's quick and easy. Simply you need to tap on your avatar and now select Add to Profile Picture. You can even edit your avatar and customize on profile and then confirm by tapping on OK button. And that's it. Now your profile picture will no longer zoom when tapped. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.